Hey guys, it's Yuko. Today I will talk about intuition. When you need to make decision and you are not sure which way or if you should take it or not, I would tell that intuition will help you. And basically, from my experience, the showing your intuition, there was like three kind of the things happened. That the first, when I'm looking for the something, and when I need to, well, find or choose or like sort of the situation that I need to make the decision, it's happened, and I could feel the something really good if the occasion or things happen, and to know if it is the good opportunity or not. You could feel the, well, to yourself that something feeling good or something exciting or like that. Good feeling anyway. And the third point was, well, when some occasion came, I could imagine what it will be. The feeling, looking for something, feeling good, and could imagine. And for example, I will share about my job change before. Well, at that moment, I was just looking for some part-time job when I was really young after graduating the university, and well, I worked for one company and I resigned and was thinking that I will go to UK to study, and during the time before I go, I wanted to have some part-time job. And even though I was looking for the part-time job, I was focusing to the X jobs related the part-time job, and I applied quite a lot, but I really didn't know why. But mostly, even I couldn't get any reply, or I couldn't get the job offer. Usually in Japan, to take the part-time job, it's quite easy if it was part-time job, and usually, well, you never struggle with the part-time job finding. But at the time, I really didn't know why, but I even, well, couldn't get any reply or something, and was thinking something wrong because it's part-time job. So I thought, okay, then in general, to get a part-time job, in Japan, the CV is, well, the two documents usually, just writing the history of education and the history of which company I worked. Don't write down the details about the job matter. And the other paper will be the detail of the tasks or what was the achievement, like that. But for the part-time job, the one, the simple, the history is usually okay. So I was just sending the history record, but I thought, okay, then if I cannot get any reply for the part-time job, I should prepare the things for the details what I did. So I made a document and put it as a set and sent it to some company. Then I got the phone call, and went for the interview. And once I had an interview, well, it was part-time job position, but the interviewer asked me to make some proposal document, the what is my the target of the, or what is my, in my idea, what is the, well, the best way to make the the human resource agency or like that. And I was thinking that, well, for that part-time job, it's not a general to ask somebody to make the proposal. But anyway, I made it, and even, well, they asked me that how long does it take, and because I was living quite far away, so I said 1 week. But later on, I noticed that if I said 1 week, meaning the quality must be the 1 week. I cannot finish with a simple thing, so, well, I made a presentation, then I brought it. So after the 1 week, we met again. Then the interviewer asked me, can you consider to join us as the regular employee? And I was a bit surprised because I was looking for a part-time job, and at the moment the economy was quite bad, and everybody was struggle with finding your favorite job. But it was not general, especially I was quite young, just, well, graduated and only had a 1 year experience, and asking me, please join us. But at first I said, sorry, I cannot. But interviewer said, please consider, I want you to work with us together. And I thought something wrong, because the company is asking me to join. So, well, at the beginning I was thinking to go for UK, and offer is coming. And even when I said no, he was trying to convince me to change the mind and wave to go for UK and join to the company. Then I felt something and thought, okay, then I should get into this company. Probably something calling. Then I made a decision to get into the company, and at the moment, yeah, I was looking for the part-time job, and the part-time job became the full-time full-time position. And well, I could feel good because it was quite seldom the company asks you to join that company at the moment. And the company was asking me, and also from their, well, the explain of the business plan like that, I could imagine how I work and what I can do or like that. So that's why I made a decision. And I would tell you that is magic. Well, I really didn't know anything, and at the moment probably even my interviewer didn't know about that. But later on, that company had the IPO, and I was the person who joined that company. It was 4 or 5 years at the moment, and our employee was only like so small, the tiny number, like around 10 or like that. And later on, it's boom, rapidly grown and had the IPO. It's like a super lucky draw. It was really tough work anyway, but I didn't quit. I was thinking that even if I was sleeping on the floor, till I have nothing to learn from this company, I won't quit. I was thinking like that. But my intuition was correct. I just want to say that if you are feeling something, you better to follow that. Follow to your intuition. That was today's story. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.